What is up, my guys? It's your boy, John. Today, I want to show you all the emotes I have in Sonic Show. And we have Never Bother Me. Don't bother me. And guess what, guys? What? By the way, emote. Like, seriously. I knew everyone would come back here. Like, seriously. Yesterday, I only had, Don't Bother You and In the Moonlight. But now, every time that goes down, it just makes me have more and more emotes. Alright, so next one is In the Moonlight. Apparently this is the same thing. Let me dip it. No. Let me dip it. Yeah, it's the same thing, but with a different dance. Then next up we got Laugh. You better know what this one sounds like. People might know what's Heavy, you know, that dude from that one game. Well, that's his laugh. Next up we got I don't know how to call this one. It's a weird dance. I don't know what this one I want to play. Next up we got Snore. Honestly, I know what this one is from. This is actually from a meme. I don't know what meme it's from, but I just know it's from a meme. Alright, next up we got Okay, next up we got the Floss. Of course everyone knows about the Floss. Sadly there's no, oh, never mind. I thought there's no already know. I don't know what game is this from. I always thought it was from Fortnite, but then Fallout 76 also copied it. Now I got a new one called The Boogie, and everyone knows this is the Boogie dance from Fortnite. But with the audio, of course. Okay, I'll do it again, but without singing. I just like this song so bad. So that's all I have so far. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you crash inside and crash that like button and drop kick my stuff with the comments, and see you next time.